Ready to turn your DoorDash earnings into cold, hard cash without waiting for a bank transfer? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use your DasherDirect virtual card to withdraw money from ATMs. Step by glorious step. First things first, make sure you've already activated your DasherDirect card within the app. Next, you'll need to add your virtual DasherDirect card to your mobile wallet, either Apple Pay or Google Wallet, through your DasherDirect app. This is what allows you to make contactless ATM withdrawals. Open your DasherDirect app and look for the option to add your card to Apple Pay or Google Wallet. Tap on it and follow the on-screen instructions. It's usually as simple as verifying your information and accepting the terms. Now head to any ATM that supports contactless payments, indicated by a symbol that looks like a sideways Wi-Fi symbol. Open Apple Pay or Google Wallet on your phone and hold it near the contactless reader on the ATM. Wait for confirmation that your card has been read and authenticated. Follow the on-screen prompts on the ATM to select the withdrawal amount and confirm the transaction. Be mindful of any ATM fees that may apply. And that's it. Your cash is ready for pickup. Remember, withdrawal limits do apply. Navigating within the DasherDirect app to the fees and limits section keeps you informed and avoids unexpected charges or declined transactions. Armed with this knowledge, you're now equipped to access your hard-earned DoorDash cash quickly and easily.